Hi everyone, are you ready for a new exciting collaboration? Stay tuned. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Rita. My channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee. And let me welcome you if you are new. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. So today I'm going to be telling you guys about a new collaboration I will be hosting. I'm going to be looking down reading so I don't miss any of the details, but the name of the collaboration is Valentines Sweets and Treats 2020. So our upload date for this collab will be January 19th at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And what I'd like for you to do is create a DIY, or if you're really not a DIYer, you can make a purchase. And this should be something for your Valentine for Valentine's Day. Also, I would like for you to include a sweet. It could be one piece of candy, it could be a box of candy. But here's the twist. We want to keep this under $10. So we need a present and at least one piece of candy for under 10 bucks. I also ask that you include a heart in your DIY, or your piece of candy could be a heart, as long as there's a heart in there somewhere. And I'd also like to mention that if you are creating a DIY, your paint, your hot glue, things like that, that's free. You don't have to include that in the $10 limit. I do ask that you be subscribed to my channel, mention my channel in your video. Also, please include a link to my channel and the playlist in your description box. There will be a hashtag and it will be Valentine's Sweets and Treats 2020. I believe that's about it, guys. The only other important piece of information I would like to share with you is I want you to have a blast doing this. If you do have any questions, please ask in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer you. So just mark your calendars. January 19th, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time is when we will upload our videos. I will have a playlist and I'll make that playlist available the day before so you can get your videos uploaded. And if you have any trouble uploading, just use that hashtag. It should populate it, and if it doesn't, just drop me a comment and I'll add it to the playlist. I really hope you guys can join me on January 19th to create or purchase a special present for your Valentine. Also, I want to remind you of my Thrift It to Gift It collaboration, which will be uploading on January 18th. If you don't know about that, please go back to my videos and there is an invite video if you're interested in that. However, for this collaboration, don't forget January 19th, 2020, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I hope to see you there. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you in my next video.